I replaced my drawer slide with wood. It has more space now, and I can have another desk mat. Can you recommend any desk mats for me? I could have just bought the slides, but just one slide is more expensive than the whole set. I don't know why. I found this old solid wood. This is probably older than me. It's not ideal, but it's all I got. Now it's time to fill in the holes and cracks with wood filler. I just filled in the large ones because I kinda like the worn out look, and so that future me will not sand a lot. I cleaned the surface with a damp sponge. I'm not sure if this is okay, but too late now. Just to be safe, I let it dry in the sun. The screws are too long for my table, so I used anything that I could find as spacers. Used the tape trick so I won't drill through the table, and did my best to install the slides. Used my chair as sort of a jack to align the wood to the slides. Then marked and drilled out the holes to prevent cracking. I could stop here, but I want to treat the wood. We didn't have varnish or any stain to seal the wood. My brother suggested I use his hair product, which is made out of beeswax. So I applied it, and surprisingly, it works really well. Luckily, the keyboard barely touches the table when fully closed.